Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a homeschool unboxing. Hi, my name is Shardae. I'm a homeschool mom to 5 children. We've been homeschooling for 7 years, and we are rolling into our 8th, and I thought I'd share with you some of my recent purchases. Some of this stuff is from, actually all of it's from Amazon, but it's from the Amazon used book part of Amazon, and some of that entails things from getting from thrift books. And then I also have some things from Apologia. So first things first, I just want to share with you these pens. Oh, you can't see them. There we go. These pens, I got these for Hebrew so that I could write, take notes, erase if I need to. They are the best. I also have the ones that have the cap. Works great. This is from thrift books via Amazon. Amazon via thrift books, about that. And I got my daughter a little reader. This was suggested in her language arts program for a library book. And then for next year, this is our vocabulary that we'll be using. So I went ahead and got the teacher's edition. The student editions are on the way. I went ahead and just bought 5 because I know I'm going to use them for all my kids. And so, of course, those are not used from Amazon, but this is. Okay, so the next thing that I got was from Apologia. I want to thank them for sending this over to me to use for my children in exchange for a video. And so that will be the next video that I put out. But I did receive level 2 math, the teacher's edition and the student edition. I use this with my 10-year-old, my first daughter, so this is my second time using this curriculum. And then I have level 4 math for my oldest, and this will be our first time running through this, but I'm excited. We've been having good success with the other levels, so I'm not really worried about much. The next thing that I got was the Who Am I from the Biblical Worldview, What We Believe series from Apologia. And so we're going to use this. We use Hoopla, the reader, and I'm not sure if I'm going to get the student journals, but if I do, I'll just go ahead and purchase those through Apologia. But for now, the plan is to do a listen and then do the activities without the journal, because they still can write, have their own little journal, but it won't be a crafted journal. So that's what I'm thinking about. This was used also off Amazon. Something else that I got, this is for me as a seminary student, but I got the Jewish annotated New Testament Bible, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's going to give me some deeper insight on and just a reverence for the Jewish religion, which Christianity is birthed from. Also helps with steering away from anti-Semitism speech. More than you know, that's kind of like some rhetoric that's being thrown out there. Probably not even on purpose, but I just want to make sure that I'm respecting all cultures. All right, so this is the next box. Okay, so I ended up getting 4 of the From Phonics to Readings, the level C book, and I got 4 because I already have the teacher's edition and 1 edition for my oldest. But as you know, typically if I buy something for my oldest and I see that it works, then I just go ahead and buy it for my other children, because I typically buy things that can be adapted to different types of learners. So that's why I got these. And the last 3 things I did purchase were a pair of shoes. Are we still mad at Amazon? Because I did buy shoes from them. I got these because apparently when you have twins or babies, it's a possibility for your feet to grow. Now, my feet did not grow with the other children, but with the twins, I am now a size 11. So these are the shoes that I purchased. Most of them are for church. I already wore these once, but I got these so that I can preach in and not, you know, bless my face. Just a plain black regular shoe. Okay, I like. I got these loafers because I think I might become a loafer girly, but these are so cute. And I probably am kind of like a size 10, but I don't want my heel hanging off the back of a shoe, so that's why I'm moving up. And then I have these. I don't know if you can see these or not. But yeah, again, a low shoe so that I can preach in them and not bust my face. But that's all I have for you today, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on, let me just make sure. Oh, I found the teacher's edition and the other student edition. I'm just going to put those together. But anyway, yes, that is all I have for you today. If you have not heard, our Heavenly Father loves you. Don't forget to drink your water and repent. And yeah, let me know if you have started shopping for next year or not. Bye.